Once you've been arrested, there's going to be two different courts. There's going to be a criminal court regarding the criminal DUI, and then there's also going to be a civil court, and that's regarding your driver's license. If you did the breathalyzer test once you got to the police station, your license will be taken immediately once they find it's over a 0.08 of the breath alcohol or blood alcohol levels. At that point, you have 7 days. Within that 7 days, you have to request for the DMV hearing, and that's to protect your license, your driving privileges, and then you also have 7 days to request a temporary driver's license to be issued to you. If you don't, after your driver's license has been taken for a breathalyzer machine and they found it's over a 0.08, if you don't request it within 7 days, you're going to have a pink piece of paper that the police will give you once you leave the police station. That will be your driver's license, because they literally will take your plastic driver's license. If you don't request that within 7 days, you will be driving on a suspended or revoked license. So you must do a request. You or your attorney, most likely I'm going to tell you your attorney needs to do your request for a driver's license and a temporary driver's license and the request for the DMV hearing. If at the police station after you were arrested and you did a blood draw from a nurse at the police station, what will happen is it takes them about 3 to 5 months for that blood to be processed and taken to a lab. So it will take a lot longer. You'll keep your license, literally keep it in your wallet or your purse, and they'll give it back to you, but it takes about 3 to 5 months. They're still coming after that driving privilege. So within the 3 to 5 months, you'll probably get a letter from the DMV saying that they want to suspend your license. Once they do that, then you must notify your attorney, and then your attorney has to do a request again for a temporary driver's license to be issued to you, and also for the DMV hearing to protect your driving privileges. On a DUI first, your driving privileges will be suspended for 90 days. After that 90 days, literally is 45 days, then you can apply for a hardship to and from work license, and you have to apply for that to do that. So it's half the time of the 90-day period. First 45 days, absolutely no driving. The second 45 days, if you did your application, then the hardship license could apply until the 91st day. At the 91st day, you'll get all your driving privileges back, but you do have to retake all the tests, the written and the driving tests, and pay a reinstatement fee. For DUI second, your driving privileges will be taken for an entire year. There is no half time, there's no the hardship license, it's a full year. DUI third, your driving privileges will be suspended for 3 to 5 years. If it's a third felony with injury or death, it could be even longer. There have been times where the DMV has taken it entirely away from the person. They can't get another driver's license at all. DUI cases, you have to win both at the DUI trial, the criminal trial, which is a reckless driving or less, even the better yet, a careless driving, and you have to win at the DMV hearing. And the DMV hearing, the standards are really low. Actually, the standards, the only thing that the DMV judge is listening for from that police officer who's testifying is that they saw the person drive or in physical control of the vehicle, and that there was a 0.08 or certain nanograms of drugs in your system. And once those two statements are heard, basically you're going to be losing your license.